Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install macOS Tahoe 26.5 in VMware. First of all, I am going to create new virtual machine for macOS 26.5. Go to Windows search. Type VMware. Click Open. Now the VMware is open. Click on File. Click New Virtual Machine. Welcome to the new virtual machine wizard. Click Next. I will install the operating system later. Click Next. Select Apple Mac OS. Click drop-down list. Mac OS 26 is not there, so I will choose Mac OS 14 is OK. Click Next. This is default virtual machine store location. I am going to change it. Click Browse. I am given it path for store my Mac OS 26 Tahoe virtual machine. Make new folder. I am given it name called Mac OS 26.5. Click OK. Click Next. Maximum disk size. Default is 80 gigabits. 80 gigabits is enough to install Mac OS 26 installation. Click Next. Click Customize hardware. Default memory is 4 gigabits. I am change it to 8 gigabits. Select processor. Number of processor is 1. I am change it number of processor is 2. Click CD, DVD. Select use an ISO image. Click Browse. Provide Mac OS 26 Tahoe ISO image path. Click Open. Select network adapter default is NAT. Leave as default. Click Close. Click on Finish. Now our virtual machine is create for Mac OS 26 Tahoe. Rename the virtual machine name. Mac OS 26.5. Click Power on this virtual machine. Go to VMware toolbar. Click Full Screen. Now the Mac OS Tahoe 26.5 installation is started. Go to VMware toolbar. Click Stretch. Language option. Select English India. Click on Next. Click Disk Utility. Click Continue. Select VMware Virtual SATA hard drive. Click on Erase. Fill disk name. I am given it name Mac HD. Click on Erase. Click Done. Click Disk Utility. Click Quit Disk Utility. Click on Install Mac OS Tahoe. Click Continue. Click on Continue. Software License Agreement. Click Agree. Click Agree. Select hard drive. Click Continue. Mac OS Tahoe will be installed on the disk Mac HD. Mac will restart several times during the Mac OS installation. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Select your country or region. I will choose India. Click on Continue. Select Setup as New. Click Continue. Written and spoken languages. Click Continue. Accessibility. Click Not Now. How do you connect? In my case, I will choose my computer does not connect the internet. Click Continue. Click Continue. Data and privacy. Click Continue. Mac account. Type full name. I am giving it name Rohit. Click account name. Type password. Type verify password. Set the hint of password. It is an optional. Click Continue. Terms and conditions. Click Agree. Click Agree. Enable location services. Click Continue. Click Don't use. Select your time zone. I will choose India time zone. Click Continue. Analytics. Click Continue. Screen time. Click Setup later. Your Mac is ready for File Vault. Click Not now. Click Continue. Choose your theme. I will select Dark theme. Click Continue. Update Mac automatically. Click Continue. Now our Mac OS installed successfully. Now log on as Rohit user. After successful Mac OS installation, let us verify the Mac OS version. Go to Apple menu. Click About this Mac. Ignore this pop-up. Now as you can see the Mac OS version. It's Tahoe 26.5. You might notice that the graphics memory shows only 3 MB. Don't worry. This is completely normal. This happens because VMware does not fully support Mac OS graphics acceleration by default. Mac OS is designed to run on Apple hardware. So inside a virtual machine, it uses basic display drivers instead of full GPU acceleration. That's why you see limited graphic like 3 MB and experience laggy animations or low performance. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how you can easily install Mac OS Tahoe 26.5 in VMware on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.